day, week, month, year, decade 10 years, century 100 years, millennium 1000 years, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, January, February, March, April, July, August, May, June, September, October, November, December. Day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Sunny, cloudy, stormy, rainbow, rainy, snowy, lightning, windy. Summer, winter, spring, autumn. Alarm goes off. To wake up. To get up. To take or have a shower. To take or have a bath. To shave. To iron a shirt. To get dressed. To brush your teeth. To wash your face. To make the bed. To brush your hair. To have or eat breakfast. To do the housework. To leave the house. To go to school. To go to work. To catch the train. To catch the bus. To drive. To arrive late. To start work. To have or eat lunch. To have a break. To finish work. To leave work. To work overtime. To go home. To buy groceries. To cook dinner. To have or eat dinner. To clear the table. To listen to the radio. To watch TV. To check your emails. To have or drink coffee or tea. To do homework. To call a friend or your family. To go to a cafe. To go out with friends. To read a newspaper. To walk the dog. To put the children to bed. To go to bed. To feed the dog or cat. To take out the trash or rubbish. To clean the windows. To sweep the floor. To scrub the floor. To mop the floor. To vacuum. To dust. To clean up or to tidy. To go to the store. To clean the bathroom. To set the table. To do the dishes. To dry the dishes. To load the dishwasher. To unload the dishwasher. To do the laundry. To hang clothes. To do the ironing. To fold clothes. To make the bed. To change the sheets. To water the plants. To wash the car. To feed the pets. To paint a room. To plaster the walls. To unclog or unblock the sink. To change a light bulb. To mow the lawn. To trim a hedge. To prune trees.